Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today we are playing in a game called, what was it called again? Why is it, oh yeah, I fell before. Before this video I was creating another video, but it turned out bad, so I started a new one. So, the game's name is Joabo and Cell, so that's what I'm thinking of doing. Okay, now let's go. Let's get started. The storm ended. That's a cool raft. Oof. I bet I'll just fall in by accident. Okay. Wow, oof. This has to be hard to get though. Including that. Sorry, I forgot. Including that they only had 3 pets before. Probably admin abuse on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Oh no, I fell off. Fell off. Oh my god, they shouting, they fighting. Not my parents, my brother. Looks like they never get the best. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, I smart. You get to hear me now. Boom, 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 boom. This is a save of money. Oh, thank you, Bhuvnesh, for giving me Coke. Thank you.
I was hopping, and I take it for the cupboard, and I bring up there. I bring it up there quietly. You both of them are gonna drink.
Oh, so that's why you both were fighting.
Yeah.
The Coke is actually good.
Yeah, but why is it I cannot talk in a Gujarati?
Sorry, it's okay. You can talk, but not in Gujarati. So if you didn't know, I'm basically Gujaratian.
Look at that. I just run upstairs.
Okay, let's go. Can I have some?
Yeah, you can have it. We can have it both of them and
There you
drink
go.
it.
Do you guys like my boat?
Yeah.
It's a cool boat, innit? No, just kidding.
Yeah, what's my
It
phone?
looks bad. Just like
my gosh,
every
it's charging.
single time. Sorry for making fun of you.
That's a good idea.
Steve Harrington. Steve Harrington, his song is so good though. I'm not even copy, Barry.
The house is not too big and not too small, but
Oh yeah,
just
sure.
right for children.
Then I want a Peppa Pig.
The toy
Yeah.
cooker is made of wood and
You got a small fridge.
Fridge. Yeah, good. You can keep on watching. Don't judge my
You got
brother.
cardboard
Oh, you're
telephone.
cooked.
Wood telephone.
It's a wood.
telephone. How?
Yeah, they created
Can I have
by
that?
farmers.
Okay.
Yeah.
who is it?
I don't want this one.
Should I drink it all? Birthday pea jam?
No, I want something.
Okay. You can
Drink it. All of that, you drink it.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. But it's so good though. I'm not even
There's some
happy.
more. I just lied.
Get that. I need to slow down. Oh, storm is coming. What? I did nothing. How did I die? What? I did nothing.
So I drink all of
How
them.
did I die? Yeah.
Look at that. I took all of it.
You can go put her in the bin now.
Leave
You
it
guys
here.
know,
I'll put
don't
it
know
in.
what an info is. What's this? It looks like
Do you know
I
Alexander?
got the ice one. I got the ice paddle and basic paddle. Basic paddle, ice paddle. And basic paddle, ice paddle.
Challenge.
No, I'm not that rich, okay? For now, this will be the end. Don't think I'm gonna be part 2. Because I am. Bye! Now, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye!